iPhone is an interesting thing. If you look around at modern life, you see cars, urban cityscape. How do we get to this point? How do we get to the iPhone? Where does this come from? In this week's unit, we're talking about the scientific revolution and the Enlightenment. Two of the most transformative movements in the history of modern Europe. With the former, the scientific revolution, there was a group of thinkers, as I talk about this week, Sir Isaac Newton, René Descartes, who said no longer should we base our views of the world, of nature, on superstition, with stories. If we seek to understand the heavens and the natural world around us, it should be through rigorous scientific inquiry, through reason, through asking why things are the way they are, and using a method to quantitatively prove, to mathematically demonstrate why things are the way they are. If we think about technological innovation and the transformations which happened in the last 300 years, which led us to the iPhone, it started off with those individuals asking questions and formulaically demonstrating why things work the way they do. That is the legacy of the scientific revolution. If we think about the Enlightenment that followed those very important thinkers, you have individuals like Montesquieu, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Voltaire, and they took the legacy of the scientific revolution, ideas on why things are the way they are, and looked past just science. I mean, if Sir Isaac Newton can use math to understand how the sun and the moon moves in the sky, could we take rigorous intellectual inquiry and understand politics, understand economics? And this is the birth of the social sciences. The legacy of the Enlightenment was to apply these methods of reason and study the social environment around us. The conclusion of that being individuals taking these ideas and reverberating for legacies through the French Revolution, through the 19th century, through the 20th century, until we get to a point of industrial transformation and the iPhone.